Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. I'm a bit sleepy. Where's Cyril? He's just woken up, he's doing his morning stretches. Come here then. Come and say hello. Yeah, let's go and say hello. Oh, not right in my face. There. Morning. There. Morning, everybody. Oh, I don't want kisses. Cyril's waiting there to go out. Just to unlock, fortlock. There he goes. Hey. Throw some plays. Bye, Cyril. Come back soon. Cyril's coming. And now it's treat time. Treat time. Paw. I haven't got anything in my hand. Paw. Give me your paw. No, give it to me. Thank you. We can make him so you can see this. Lie down. Making work this morning. Lie down. Good boy. Roll over. Good boy. Takes it upstairs. Look at the pretty lights. I love it when the sun's shining. It makes everything happy. So pretty. It's Cyril. He wants something, and I don't know what it is. I reckon he wants another treat. I think that's what he wants. What do you want, Cyril? You didn't eat your dinner last night, did you? Are you hungry? Are you? Are you hungry? Is that what you want, a treat? Do you want? So tell me. Do you want? If he sits down there, he wants a treat. See? Paw? Give me a paw. Make him work for it. Paw? Thank you. Lay down. Sit, stay. No, don't roll yet. Roll over then. No. Maybe if I had the treat in my hand, he would do it. Down. No. Oh. You dumb dog. He's not dumb, he's lovely. And it's been a bit of a stressful day, really, so I haven't really vlogged very much, apart from this morning I did a little bit, and I haven't, what have I been doing? The whole day's gone and I feel like I haven't done much, but at least the solicitor stuff is all sorted out and done and posted, and I had a rant which was good. It's nice to get off my chest, and yeah, that was good. So I'm just chillaxing now. Yeah, Steve's supposed to be coming, but I don't know, he must have got caught in traffic or something. I don't know. I don't know. Well, whatever we at, we're on day 10. I haven't done anything today. Well, I've done loads of things today. I mean, I haven't done any vlogging, hardly. I'm just looking at something to watch on YouTube, but I'm bored. The dinner's in the oven. I'm sat by the fire. It's sort of died down a bit at the minute. I've just put Cyril's enjoying the fire with his new bandana on. Look at him. Cyril. It's a good boy. Look at the lovely warm fire. relaxing, isn't it, really? Just waiting for dinner. It's in the oven. I've got rustic Italian chicken, which used all the vegetables that I had from my little box, and yeah, it's going to be lovely. I can't get the whole effect of the fireplace. It's looking really nice. Sorry, I'm on my other iPad, and it's weird because it's got like really close up, so I have to stand really far away. There we go. I'm going to get the Christmas decorations out tomorrow and Christmas up the place, even though I've got fairy lights, but they've been there all year. I have put my Christmas star up, see? So it's starting to look Christmassy.